How to create a landing page with Squarespace. Hello there, today we'll learn about how to create your own landing page using the Squarespace platform, where this allows individuals and businesses to create their own websites without needing to know how to code. It also provides a user-friendly interface and a variety of customizable templates to make it easy for anyone to design a professional-looking website. So for us to begin with, here you just need to go to the website squarespace.com, and then before you be able to log in or create your own account, you can actually browse your or the homepage of the website, where you will be able to see samples of the website that you are able to view. So here there are businesses. These are actually some of the businesses that had made their own websites using Squarespace. Okay, for us to begin with, you can just click on Get Started on the upper right corner of the screen. And then here, Squarespace will be asking more information about your site or what you're planning to do with your site. Here, so it will also ask for your goals. You can choose these information or you can just skip this depending on what you want. And here, it also asks on what's the current status of your website. Once you're done answering all those informations, you'll be routed to this page. This is your dashboard where Squarespace actually provides you a template recommendation or the best template that they can offer. Here, so a lot of options that you can choose from. As you can see, since I chose photography, that would be it. Here, so you can just choose one of the templates. Here I'll be choosing the gates for this. Here, so you can actually preview the template first before you will be able to upload your new one or the new template that you will have. So once you're satisfied with it, you can just go ahead and create the template or using the template. But before you do, you'll need to sign in with your account or create your account first. Once you have fully created the account, this is the page that will welcome you, where it will provide you the information or a few instructions on how to get started with creating your own landing page. Here, so what you need to do is you need to add a page first. That's on the left side of the screen, where for us to get started, let's just choose general and then choose one of the templates given, and then you can just rename it into landing page. Here, you can scroll down on what you need to do, and then you can switch from each pages that are already existing. So here on the upper right corner of the screen, you can actually switch your views from mobile to desktop, and the arrow means that that will allow you to see the actual website that you have. Okay, so we'll just make sure that we renamed the page correctly. Here, so what we're doing here right now is we'll be creating a form under coverkit.com,
where we will be routed into this page. So you just need to click on create a form, and then there you just need to choose whatever template you would like. I'll be choosing this one, and I'll just be editing the few informations given. I can also edit the image, the size, or the opacity of the image. You can definitely adjust that. And then once done, you can just click on publish, and then you just need to copy the HTML code, since we will need that in order for us to add a form into our landing page. So once done, you just need to click on edit and go back to Squarespace and click on edit. Once you add a block, you just need to edit the block and then enter the HTML code that we copied earlier. As you can see, it has now been indicated or noted into your landing page. You just need to resize, make sure that it would fit into your landing page. You just need to make sure that it looks good. Another thing here is you can add another page for you to add your contact information. So you can just go to add a page and then choose contact on the options on the left side corner. And then you can choose a template that you would want. And then you just need to edit the name. And then you will be routed into the new page you've added. So for you to add your contact, you just need to input your details like the email address of your business email address, your phone number, your business address, if you're comfortable with providing that into your landing page. And this way, when your visitors or your customers will be able to look into the account, they will be able to view the, or they will be able to get a hold of you through this contact information. So another thing here is that you can actually link the landing page into your social media accounts like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and you can even edit on how it may look. So here, this part here is where you will be able to paste your link for your Instagram, Twitter, or any social media platform that you want to add. Okay. Okay, once you're done, you can browse into the pages to see if there's something that you want to edit. Then you can do preview the website if there's something that you need to improve or there's something you need to revise. So you can see this is the how your website may look like. So this is just an example here just to um, help you learn on how to create your own landing page for your business. So here what I'm doing here is that you can actually browse other tools for the account. You can actually add a blog. You can even link this into your store. You can even add videos, events, anything that may relate into you improving your business. So here, when you go back to home, you can click on design where you can actually edit the site styles like what font the site will be using. You can even edit the color here. So I'll just choose the site font style, make sure that it would fit. Here, so on this part here, you will be able to choose your theme for your site. So these are the colors that will be used into your the text colors here. So you can add animation. So when you try to scroll into your website, you can see that it may fade or slide depending on what you prefer. You can even adjust the spacing here and even add image blocks as well and buttons. Here you can, once done, you can go ahead and click on done on the upper left corner and then go ahead and click on save. You can look into the website. You can even browse an icon and then you can go back home on the upper right corner, so you'll be able to see on what information that you can add into your landing page here. So once done, you can just view into your website to see and how it may look here. So what I'm doing right now is I forgot to add the site name, so I'm just editing this up quickly. So I'll just rename it as Pick It just for an example for you to know on how to change the site name here, or site title rather. Okay, you can check on settings, there are domains, a lot of things that you can do using this platform. So once done, you can just go back to your account dashboard, and then here you will be able to see that you already have created your own website. And what's a good thing about Squarespace here, they actually automatically publishes your website into the account. And that's it. That's how you will be creating your own landing page using Squarespace. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.